Nice.
Got 60 seconds, talk me through your car. Go.
Well, it's a 1990 Volkswagen Golf Mark II GL model, so pretty basics. Blue on blue interior. Yeah, 180 swapped it. Bigger brakes, G60 brakes.
Oh my god. He's got good brakes. Yeah, talk me through a bit more about these brakes.
They're not originals, they're like a replica kit that you can buy off either eBay or there's this website, I can't remember what they're called, but
okay, but just as
basically the same, yeah.
Right, okay,
they're just like remakes.
I mean, they were braking well, so
yeah,
nice.
Yeah, and I've got my MIMs on there.
Yeah, I do like them wheels.
I've had them
wheels.
for like 6-7 years. How long?
Yeah,
as long as I've known you, basically.
I remember you having them on your caddy.
Yeah, I had them on Mark 1 caddy.
Still got his caddy in the garage.
Yeah.
Talk about one later.
That's a shed.
Working project.
Yeah, very tight fit. Yeah. They're a very tight fit. A lot of people online said they don't fit, but they do.
Yeah.
So if you want these brakes on the MIM wheels, they fit. It's very tight. You just can't have weight.
There's the proof. Can't. What's it like being a passenger in your own car?
It's giving me a sore neck. You know when the power's on when you're driving, don't you? So it's like...
Sort of brace yourself.
Yeah, you brace yourself.
Yeah. It's like when I had my Mustang, it's just like the amount of people just stopped, looked,
Thumbs up. Appreciation, innit?
Yeah, it's just red light, isn't it? Yeah, it's just like because you don't see a classic car often, they just love it, don't they?
Yeah.
It just brings a smile to people's faces, especially when it spools up a turbo.
Yeah, turbo noises.
And an old Golf.
You could definitely get more looks with that.
Yeah, I bet.
They hear like, oh, it's probably some yobbo, and then it's like, oh, it's actually kind of a nice car.
The confusion on their face.
Yeah.
Is that an Audi TT? No, it's a Mark II Golf. Brad?
Yeah?
What are these, mate?
Little drums, mate, standard.
It's getting too dark on camera. Why are you running drum brakes on the rear?
Well, I do have the brakes for it, but I just haven't had the kit for the disc swap yet, so
oh, okay.
Standard drums will do.
I can't argue the brakes work, but...
yeah, you don't need rear brakes, it's fine.
Get that sorted before we go on track.
Yeah, I think they'll burn up.
For God's sake. The things you do to get the view, be a camera. Gotta get their rolling shots, boy. Talk me through what you've bolted, what have you mixed, what have you...
Yeah, so it's a bit of a mix match. So it's got standard power steering pump that's hidden way down there.
Yep.
AC deleted. All you've got to do is put it to the standard mount and then just run the TT belt thing, pulley, belt pulley. Modified the bracket a little bit for the reservoir. So before it used to sit under here, but unfortunately, well, you can't really see, but it used to hit the gearbox. So I've extended it higher and over a bit more. Yeah, like Mark III Golf. I think it comes with GTD possibly, I don't know, I can't remember now, but eBay special again, second hand. Just to obviously run a hydraulic clutch. instead of a manual one or a conversion that you can do.
Okay. Yeah.
Because I've used the TT pedal box as well. Just modified pedal box to suit.
Yeah.
Welded on a few things, this, that, and the other. Cut off a few bits.
Yep.
G60 engine mounts are the best ones to use. You can get some aftermarket ones, which I was going to get, but I got these for a good deal, like 60 quid. So nice and cheap, where they're hard to find really that cheap. And only a couple £100 at least. Yeah, TT gear linkage. So that's just, you have to cut out the bit of a box that holds the original linkage up, cut that out, drill a few holes and sort of mount it up.
That's the sort of main stuff then, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
And
then I got the wiring loom. There's a guy local to me in Bedford that does them. He does a conversion for the loom. It's pretty basic. Plugs into the CE2 loom, fuse box, sorry, and then basically plug and play. Yeah, so let me know in the comments, do you want to see a bit more of like an in-depth video into this engine swap? So obviously there's a lot of information here, and from what you're saying, it's quite hard to find information online. Yeah, there's lots of mixed match stuff, so I can tell you what I've done. People will say other things. Maybe some people say it's wrong, but yeah, I've done it the way I've done it, and I'm happy with it. So
yeah, absolutely spot on. I'm impressed, to be honest with you, mate.
Thanks.
Thanks for showing me your car.
That's all right.
Thanks for showing me around it. Nice. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.
Bye.